Hi kids, welcome to NV Kids Fun TV. Look, we have this wooden tangram. It consists of 7 wooden pieces. 2 big triangle, 2 small triangle, another triangle, 1 square and 1 parallelogram. We can make so many things with this tangram. Today we will make shapes. Let's start. Wow, this is square. Square has 4 equal sides. Next we will try triangle. Triangle. Next we will try rectangle with this wooden pieces. Let's start. Next we will try this trapezoid. Let's start. Next we will try parallelogram. Let's try parallelogram with this wooden pieces. So we have to change this red triangle like this. Now this is parallelogram. 2 sides are parallel to each other. Wow, we had so much fun today. Hope you like this video. If yes, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time in NV Kids Fun TV. Bye.